asking for help at a hardware store.
Good morning. Can I help you today?
Hi, I need some help, please.
Of course. What are you looking for?
I need to fix a leaking tap.
Okay. Have you done this before?
No, this is my first time.
No problem. It is actually quite simple.
Really? I was very worried, actually.
You will need a new tap washer.
A tap washer? What is that exactly?
It is a small rubber ring inside.
Oh, I had no idea about that.
They are very cheap, just £1.
Oh, brilliant. That is great news.
You will also need a small spanner.
I do not have any tools at home.
We have a basic toolkit for £12.
That sounds like a good investment, actually.
It has everything a beginner would need.
Okay, then. I will take that, please.
Do you need anything else today?
Actually, my kitchen light stopped working too.
That is probably just a blown bulb.
Oh, really? Is that easy to fix?
Very easy. Just twist and replace it.
I can definitely do that myself then.
Bulbs are in aisle 3, on the left.
Perfect. You have been so helpful, Bob.
My pleasure. Come back anytime you need help.
I have a feeling I will.
Most people say that. See you soon.
Thank you so much. Goodbye, Bob. Renting a flat for the first time. Good afternoon. How can I help?
Hi, I am looking to rent a flat.
Great. What area are you looking in?
Somewhere close to central London, please.
And what is your monthly budget, Ahmed?
Around £1,200 per month?
Okay, we have a few options available.
Oh, good. I was not sure, actually.
How many bedrooms do you need?
Just one. It is only for me.
Perfect. I have a lovely one in Brixton.
Brixton? Is that a nice area?
Very lively. Great transport links, too.
How far is it from central London?
Just 15 minutes on the tube.
Oh, that's really close, actually.
The flat is on the 3rd floor.
Is there a lift in the building?
Yes, there is. Very modern building overall.
That sounds really promising, honestly.
Would you like to view it today?
Yes, please. When can we go?
I can take you right now if you like.
Right now? That is perfect, actually.
There is one thing I should mention.
Oh, what is that exactly?
You will need 1 month deposit up front.
How much is the monthly rent exactly?
$11.50 per month. Bills not included.
Okay, that is within my budget then.
Great. Let us go view it now.
I cannot wait. Let us go, Claire.
At the pet shop. Good morning. Welcome to Paws and Claws.
Hi, I want to buy my first pet.
How exciting. What kind of pet?
I am not sure. Something easy to keep.
Do you live in a house or flat?
A small flat on the 4th floor.
Then a dog might be quite difficult.
Oh, really? I was hoping for a dog.
A cat would suit your lifestyle better.
I never thought about a cat.
Cats are very independent and low maintenance.
Really? That actually sounds perfect for me.
We have 3 kittens available right now.
Oh, can I see them, please?
Of course, follow me right this way.
Oh, they are absolutely adorable. Wow.
This little one is very calm and friendly.
She is so tiny. I love her.
She is 8 weeks old, perfect age.
What do I need to buy today?
Food, a litter box, and a bed.
That sounds like quite a lot, actually.
We have a beginner kit for 30 pounds.
Oh, perfect. That makes it much easier.
It has everything a new owner needs.
I will definitely take that then, please.
And the kitten is 150 today.
Does she come with any vaccinations?
Yes, fully vaccinated and microchipped already.
Oh, brilliant. That is really reassuring.
You are going to be a great owner.
I really hope so. Wish me luck.
Paying a parking fine at the council.
Good morning. How can I help?
Hi, I received a parking fine recently.
I see. Do you have the notice with you?
Yes, here it is, from last Tuesday.
Okay, let me look this up for you.
I genuinely did not see the sign.
I understand. That happens quite often, actually.
Oh, good. I felt really terrible about it.
The fine is 60 pounds at the moment.
60 pounds? That is quite a lot.
If you pay today, it is only 30.
Really? Half price if I pay now?
Yes, early payment discount within 14 days.
Oh, thank goodness. That is much better.
Would you like to pay now then?
Yes, please. Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. We take all major cards here.
Can I also appeal the fine at all?
Yes, you have 28 days to appeal.
What are valid reasons for an appeal?
Unclear signage is actually a strong reason.
Really? The sign was very hard to see.
Then you have a reasonable case, actually.
Should I appeal or just pay today?
Appealing takes time. Paying is much simpler.
Okay, I will just pay today then.
Smart decision. Tap your card right here.
Done. Can I get a receipt, please?
Of course, here is your receipt today.
Thank you, Richard. You were very helpful.
No problem at all. Drive carefully now.
I will definitely read all signs now. At the juice bar, ordering. Hey there, welcome to Fresh Press.
Hi, I have never been here before.
No worries, I will help you choose.
Oh, great. There is so much here.
What do you usually like to drink?
I like sweet things mostly, not bitter.
Then our mango smoothie is perfect for you.
Ooh, what is in that exactly?
Mango, banana, and a little honey.
That sounds absolutely delicious, honestly.
It is our most popular drink right now.
Is it very filling as well?
Very. Most people cannot finish the large.
Then I will start with the small.
Smart choice for a first-time try.
Can I add anything extra to it?
We can add protein powder or chia seeds.
Chia seeds? What are those exactly?
Tiny seeds, very good for your health.
Why not? Add those, please.
Great choice. Very popular with our regulars.
I like trying new things, honestly.
That is the best attitude to have.
Haha, my friends think I am too adventurous.
There is no such thing. Trust me.
How long will it take to make?
Just 3 minutes. Very quick here.
3 minutes? That is incredibly fast.
Fresh and fast. That is our motto.
I love that. Perfect combination, honestly.
Here you go. Enjoy your first one.
Oh, wow. This looks amazing. Thank you.
At the tailor, getting clothes altered.
Good afternoon. Welcome. How can I help?
Hi, I need some clothes altered, please.
Of course. What would you like done?
This dress, it is too long for me.
Let me have a look at it, please.
I need it for a wedding on Saturday.
Saturday? That is quite soon, actually.
I know. Is that too late?
It is tight, but we can manage.
Oh, thank goodness. I was so worried.
How short would you like it to be?
Just above the knee. Is that okay?
Perfect length for a wedding. Good choice.
I also have these trousers here.
What needs doing with these ones?
They are too wide, around the waist.
Okay, I can take them in easily.
How much will all of this cost?
The dress is 20, trousers are 15.
35 total. That is very reasonable.
Can you try the dress on, please?
Of course. The changing room is... where?
Just behind you, on the right side.
Thank you. I will be right back.
Take your time, no rush at all.
How does it look from the back?
Perfect. I will pin it right here.
Will it definitely be ready by Friday?
Friday afternoon, I give you my word.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much, Victor.
You will look absolutely wonderful on Saturday.
I really hope my husband thinks so. At the mechanic with a flat tire.
Morning, what can I do for you?
Hi, I have a completely flat tire.
Okay, let me take a look outside.
I drove slowly. I hope that is okay.
You did the right thing. Well done.
Oh, good. I was really worried, actually.
This tire is completely done, unfortunately.
Really? Can it not be repaired?
There's a nail right through the middle.
Oh, no. How did that happen?
It happens all the time. Do not worry.
So, I need a completely new tire?
Yes, but we have your size in stock.
Oh, thank goodness. How much is it?
The tire is 65 pounds fitted.
Fitted means it is already put on?
Yes, everything included in that price.
Oh, perfect. That is very straightforward then.
How long have you had this car?
About 3 years now, I think.
When did you last check your tires?
Honestly, I never really check them.
You should check them every month, ideally.
Every month? I did not know that.
Tire pressure, too. Very important for safety.
I will definitely start doing that now.
Good. Your car will be ready in 30 minutes.
Perfect. Is there somewhere I can wait?
Yes, we have a waiting area inside.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Wayne.
No problem. I will come find you shortly.
Great. I really appreciate your help today. At the furniture store, buying a sofa. Good afternoon. Looking for anything specific?
Hi, I need a new sofa, please.
Great. What size are you looking for?
Something for a medium-sized living room.
A 3-seater would be perfect then.
Do you have many options available today?
Yes, we have over 30 styles here.
30? That is quite overwhelming, honestly.
Let me narrow it down for you.
Yes, please. That would really help.
What color is your living room currently?
Thinking mostly gray and white, very neutral.
Then a navy or mustard sofa would pop.
Ooh, mustard actually sounds really nice.
This one here is very popular right now.
Oh, wow. It looks really comfortable.
Try sitting on it. Feel free, please.
Oh, that is incredibly comfortable, actually.
It has extra deep cushions for support.
I can feel that. Very nice indeed.
It also comes in 4 other colors.
How much is this one exactly?
It is $8.99 today.
That is a little over my budget.
We have an interest-free payment plan available.
Really? How does that work exactly?
12 monthly payments of £75.
Oh, that is very manageable, actually.
And free delivery within 5 working days.
That settles it.
I will take it.
Excellent choice, Frank. You will love it.
I already do. My back thanks you.
Buying a first guitar.
Hey there. Welcome to String Theory.
Hi, I want to buy my first guitar.
Amazing. Acoustic or electric guitar today?
What is the difference exactly?
Acoustic needs no equipment to play.
That sounds much simpler for a beginner.
Exactly. Most beginners start with acoustic.
Okay then, acoustic it is, please.
What is your budget today, roughly?
Around 100 pounds maximum.
Perfect. We have great options at that price.
Oh, brilliant. I was not sure actually.
This one here is our best beginner guitar.
Oh, it looks really beautiful actually.
It sounds great and feels easy to play.
Can I try playing it, please?
Absolutely. Have a strum. Go ahead.
I do not know any chords yet.
Just strum it. Feel how it sounds.
Oh, wow. That sounds really nice.
You are a natural. Seriously well done.
I just strummed it randomly, honestly.
That is how everyone starts. Do not worry.
Does it come with anything else included?
Yes, a bag, a tuner, and spare strings.
All of that included? That is amazing.
And free online lessons with every purchase.
Free lessons too? This is perfect, Danny.
It is our best beginner package by far.
I'm absolutely taking this one today.
You are going to love learning guitar.
My neighbors might not agree with that. Signing up for an online course. Good morning. How can I help today?
Hi, I want to sign up for a course.
Great. What subject are you interested in?
I'm interested in digital marketing, actually.
Excellent choice. Very popular right now.
Really? I was not sure about it.
We have two options for that course.
Oh, really? What are the two options?
Part-time evenings or full-time online.
I work during the day, so evenings.
Perfect. Classes are Tuesday and Thursday evenings.
That fits my schedule really well, actually.
The course runs for 3 months total.
And how much does it cost, please?
It is $450 for the full course.
Is there any kind of payment plan?
Yes, 3 monthly payments of $150.
Oh, that is very manageable. Perfect.
Do you have any previous experience, Harry?
A little. I ran a small social media page.
That is actually very relevant experience.
Really? I did not think that counted.
Absolutely. You are ahead of most beginners.
That is really encouraging to hear.
You will need a laptop for this course.
Oh, good. I already have one at home.
Perfect. You are all set to enroll today.
Where do I sign, please?
Right here. Welcome to the course, Harry.
Thank you, Fiona. I cannot wait to start.